Xmaxx stuff, baby. What's up guys, Chris Anthony here, Commander SC. I got my Traxxas Xmaxx out here again for another quick bash. I actually just run this truck maybe a week and a half ago. I'm giving this another run out here just to test out a couple of parts. As you can see, I have a fresh brand new Traxxas 6-pack X on it. My previous 6-pack tires finally hit retirement after maybe a year and a half of running it. Definitely got my money's worth out of that, so I decided to get another fresh Traxxas and see how this thing holds up. This is actually a pretty decent belted tires for the money, to be honest with you. I had great experience with them as long as you run them in warmer weather. In colder weather, the rims tend to crack, so I would recommend running this on summertime, which I usually do, and then I swap to a backflip or copperhead tires on colder weather. I am testing out some new parts out here guys from M2C Racing. I have some 4mm locking hinge pins, as you can see right there. We have one on the shocks and also on the arms, on the lower arms, upper arms, also in the inner part of the arms as well. The coolest thing about this is that they don't taper at the end, and you can actually use a 4mm nut, as you can see right there. And you can also get a full clearance right there, as you can see. I used to run an RPM locking hinge pins before, but they tend to snap at the very end right here because it tapered down to 3mm. So I'm glad that M2C actually kept this 4mm all the way to the locking nut right there. So yeah, so shout out to M2C Racing for this amazing 4mm hinge pins right here. So we'll see how that holds up out here today. And the other thing guys, also I want to point out that I'm running the Vitavon gear set on here now in the front and also in the rear. So big shout out to Vitavon for sending that out today. We'll see how that holds up. I'll give you guys an update on that after this run. We'll give this a quick rundown out here and see how she does, and let's have a good time out here. There goes the body. to dive. That has got to be it. No way. No way she's still running. Oh, no way, guys. Wow. Xmaxx tough, baby. Holy crap. I can't believe she survived that hit. Here's an update on the truck. It's pretty dirty, as you can see, but I stopped because I've noticed that this wheel right here is free spinning and this one kind of buckling around, and I just noticed that one of my links right here, it seems like it got just unscrewed, but I look a little bit farther, it looked like it snapped. All right, let me take this wheel out so I can give you guys a quick update on what's going on here. I really thought it was just a screw that came out, but I've noticed right here that the Vitavon front knuckles actually snap right here. You see that? So, but the links is fine, it's just the knuckle that snapped. And I've noticed this one right here is free spinning, and taking a look over here, let's see if I can show you guys properly. The pin actually, let me see if I can give you guys a closer look at that. The pin actually snapped, or it came out. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, that's the reason for that free spinning wheel right there. Alright guys, so that's obviously going to end my bash here today. The 4mm locking hinge pin that I'm trying out here actually held up pretty good, no issue with those. And a Vitavon gear set that I'm trying out here as well in the front and also in the rear, actually it's working beautifully without any issues. Alright guys, so that's gonna do it for the Xmaxx out here today. We'll get this thing home, get it cleaned up, and hopefully we can bring this sucker out here again soon. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit subscribe if you haven't. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.